Good day, Ma'am, Sir. My name is Meresha Michelle Joy. I'm 38 years old and married with 2 children at age 16 and 15. I don't have any longer body medication and tattoo. I studied in Bachelor of Science and Industrial Technology and Food Technology. I have TESDA training in situ, domestic work training, and I have experience in Hong Kong and Saudi Arabia. My first employer, I served 3 persons, 2 adults, and 1 children. My duties and responsibilities is cooking, cleaning, washing clothes, dishwashing, ironing, and taking care of the child. My second employer, I served 3 persons, 3 adults, and 2 children. My duties and responsibilities is cooking, cleaning, washing clothes, dishwashing, ironing, car washing, and taking care of the child. My third employer is I serve 8 persons, 2 adults, and 6 children. My duties and responsibilities is cleaning, washing clothes, dishwashing, ironing, and taking care of the child. To my future employer, I hope that you hire me as your domestic helper, and I do my best and hard work as long as you like my duty and responsibilities. Thank you, and Ma'am, Sir, and God bless.